I call emergency medical services 30-minute medicine because that's really how long we have with a patient before we drop them off at the hospital. EMS is a great in-demand career field for those that are self-reliant and want to help others. The treatment and care is patient-centered, so each workday is just a little bit different. In this career field, we actually work shift work, which means you work a full 24-hour period and then you have 48 hours off before you have to come back in for your next shift. Here at Lakeland Community College, we have a state-of-the-art indoor ambulance simulator. Our students practice the latest techniques in a realistic environment to be prepared to put life-saving skills to work when every moment truly counts. We provide all state-approved levels of training for EMS, from our 16-week emergency medical responder and emergency medical technician programs to our 24-week advanced EMT and our 11-month paramedic program. And if you want an associate's degree, we have that too. Whether you're just starting out or wanting to advance your career, contact us to learn more.